The answer to that question is a resounding yes. If we look at statistics, 85% of all millionaires are budgeting and doing this to increase their wealth. However, don't you worry, there's an easier way. We see 15% of millionaires achieve this by doing something called imposing scarcity on themselves. And I can attest to that this system works well. I've seen other people implement it as well with great success, achieving financial stability. And if we look at imposing scarcity on yourself, it's a really easy concept, and it's easy to systemize as well, to create a system for wealth building. What you do is that you tell the paycheck account, you go into your internet bank, and you tell it to automatically take a certain part of your paycheck, you specify this yourself, and then make a transaction basically to your investing account. So you know how you can put electricity bills and internet bills on auto pay basically today? Well, you can do the same for your investments. It will just charge, and you can put this charge the day after your paycheck comes in basically. Super easy. And what do you do with this money then? Well, you open up an investment account, and today there's so much automation going on, so you can tell your investment account to automatically purchase a fund for 100% of available funds in your account. So you can basically select an index fund, or you can make a split, or whatever is right for your investment strategy, and then have your investment account, your brokerage firm, automatically execute on this. You can do robot advisors. There's a ton of opportunities of offerings out there today. You just need to find one that's correct for you. But back to the system. All right, so you have this automatic withdrawal, just like it was an electricity bill, and then you have this automatic purchase of a fund. Now you don't even have to look. Now you can just let your wealth building run on autopilot. And this system is also super easy to scale. So let's say that you're a young person, you're 18 years old, and you're thinking, is it even worth to start saving $10 every month? A lot of YouTubers will say, no, it's much more worth to take those money and learn a skill. Well, setting up a system, it's also a skill. If you're able to put this system in place early in life, then it's super easy to scale later once you get further into your career. So let's say you get your proper first job after university. Well, then you can just go into your earnings account where you get your paycheck, and then you change the automatic withdraw. You go in, and on the auto giro, you say, now I want you to withdraw $100 instead of $10. And then as you get further on your career, you can continue to scale this as you please, so it fits your life situation. You have this system in place already, and you can do these easy tweaks to it depending on your life situation. And you will be able to build wealth without thinking about it, thus making it easy to adhere to. Just like if you're trying to diet, it's way easier if you don't have any junk food at home, or you have a chef making the meals for you basically. Well, think about automated investment as having a chef when you're trying to diet. Just a whole lot easier. You can set this system up for yourself, and you can follow those 15% of millionaires who achieve their financial goals by using self-imposed scarcity. Alright, that's been it for this video, and as always, hope you make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.